Channel. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So I just want to go through this issue, all right? Because last time, let me explain this to you before we go to the program. Last time, CRC and the group released a video, AI video, which they claim that is PM talking. When I watched that, I kind of believe that. Reason because of the person, the source that sent it to me, because the person is not part of CRC. Then I was like, okay. And based on the little things that I know about AI, I tended to believe that. But somebody who happened to know better, who actually knows people that know PM and all that knows what is going on, reached out to me and said, look, this is that you are trying to believe is not true. And I said, okay, if that's not AI, how can he say this and say that? The person proved to me that AI is capable of doing all those things. Then I said, wow, okay. Then I want to know how soon they will come back again that PM is coming to them, because that will prove truly that everything is AI. I look at it yesterday, because even that yesterday, before in the morning, somebody called me. The person is not a regular person. Like the person, I know him for a very long time before broadcasting and before I started talking about what I'm doing now. The person told me that somebody informed him that PM is coming to. I nearly say AI. That PM is coming to speak to Imam Madaba and the group. Based on what I already know from the one that they sent last time, I told the person that no, this is AI. It is all about AI. And he said, why is it true? I said, yes. And remember, this is not the first time they send the AI. The other time they sent the one they said before, that was when they were using the free version of AI. When each time they want to say Abba, you say Abba, Ojuku. That we call them then. And that video came from Imam Badamba group. For the fact that we were able to dictate that one, they decided to upgrade by paying, for a superior version of AI, and that's what they're using at the moment. Now, yesterday they said that PM, the AI, of course, no, it should be AI, not PM. They use that techniques again because the one they used before favored them very, very well. So they have to run it again to gain more followers. And what they're doing now is, if they conquer one person, that person is expected to conquer other people because of trust and belief, right? Then I did not bother to care about how the outcome of it. Why Isocha is here with the whole thing. Why Isocha is here telling you the whole thing, like what she actually know about this AI of a thing and all that. So we are going to go through it. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Finland is learning now from Imam Madabo's AI Republic, because the CRC, they have upgraded to AI Republic. They believe that the only way to get Biafra now is AI. But for the fact that they repeated it again, we are going to digest it from now henceforth. Because if you keep quiet, and that is enough is enough. This thing is something that people don't know. Like, I don't believe Imam Madabo whatsoever. Everything about him from day one, simply because of what he did after declaration. I don't know him in person, but what he did, and of course with Mazawa, these are no people. Like, there's nothing they will do that you don't need to quit, that you will say, okay, let me relax, and that they have done well. They have not. Let's go to why is such a program before we move to the other things that we have to discuss here. Listen.
Yes, so I recorded it. Let me tell you people something. And now this is why I made it still funny. Evidence. And then some stupid people who are Why are we doing this? To gather evidence against who? To gather evidence against Obatobie. To gather evidence against the Obatobie can make this rubbish. And it can never happen. And we expose their evils. It can never happen. Then I am today when he sent them one link. Person that Obatobie will come and they talk to them. That's now I like another place. It's another after. And I don't ask because all these things are nonsense. And that's not problem. The same way you will go on about to be one particular person. Or about to live by the other. To make all the public now able to share it. Or wasn't that let's share the now since yesterday I shared the about to be there. So okay. But initial time they put a number that is soon. MSM begin at the soup. But when Bataka or one thing, Panande boast. Nande put up Panon down there. Cara Pochinka, whatever. He was a criminal that I have never seen in my life. Whatever. Where's that near cost? Anybody did this to send the outside, like cost you money and car, I get million cars. I got your money, I got your money, I be the level cost. Let the cost. Stop on that cost. In a lay cost. Every day will cost under your gate. For you to do this kind of thing and to know that is not good, and to know that it's very dangerous. And you know that when you still talk about a problem, which is not what they have said it. Why do you do that? You know that all you put you in trouble. And if how dangerous or the one what they have said it, I will pay the price for you people. Why do you do that? All my question encouraging Mama they have. Their problem is independent media. Independent media. Remember that was that now for one person, what I Finland. Now when I buy a gun and they make, even when you are the woman and I buy a gun on a make by doing this. I got a mama that won't take them now. Oh, no, okay, now you want that bring it out. I'm gonna make it in my social media. I'm not allowed to make it now. I'm monetize and make it. Rubbish. Everyone on to some sassy. A saboteur. Like Imam Madabu. Imam Madabu, but he found a that wrong one. Imam Madabu, but he found a very Batobia and so. But Imam Madabu is doing it. He's doing it. Why not you here? And we play everything. That's false. Let me tell you.
You know, I don't want to bother myself with the cause. The truth is that Imam Madabu is very, very determined to do something bad to PM from day one. And what there's something that Lasuba said, you know, every community that Mama every community we went to Yala nine. So because Adia Mama, indeed they pray for Yala again, the way they made again. The thing this woman is saying here, or what she said, that Imam Madabu is a friend that by him. That thing hit me differently because these are the people that have issue with the PM. And there's no way, not that they have issue with PM, because PM don't do them anything. There is just developed anger, hatred on him. I don't know I don't know the closeness of Imam Madabu to PM. I don't know. Because if Imam Madabu means, you know, if he's very important to PM, you should ask yourself, why is it that Imam Madabu is just only a CRC chairman? No other meaningful position. And he is now the only person that PM want to talk to. A man that actually planted all this nonsense. Okay, Yarolan. Ask yourself, when Eggman and Azariah was planning on how to plan B and plan A, who orchestrated it? Who actually helped them? Who bring out this idea of creating imaginary APM office? Imam Madabu. The man that dished out memo to run faster than his shadow. How many days that PM disappeared? If you begin to count on his sins, There's no need to even get close to whatever he's doing. I'm surprised that PM chose to talk to him, but now it is clear that they're running AI Republic as we speak. No more CRC. CRC is a thing of old. And this is another person that God saved his people of his village by sending him abroad. Oh, no matter what now. Every calabash and apple everywhere to buy somebody. If at a village, if at a Christmas, on that night, Chineke made a yaga over the back, or whatever they look after. On as I lose again in a modern way this time around. All this nonsense need to be stopped. What my Lazima said, Lazima for people, I tend to agree with her. By that, whatever they're doing now is to make sure that PM is being repatriated back to Nigeria. That's the exact word, because they know who PM actually is. They understand it very, very well. And we need to appreciate the fact that Biafrans are paying attention to every movement and calling it out the way it's supposed to be. I don't want to play all this video of this woman. I hate to bring it this time, but let me just play from. Let me drag it a little bit.
If anything happens, nobody responsible. I don't know.
Just hear the names. Just hear the names.
Criminals not here. Wouldn't let go to dry up at all down. And it can never happen. Never.
I don't know.
How we play, you bet you could get to that party. That's course how we live. Oh, that let that course complete without when it say. Oh, that is course. They are tried the whole of your family down. Oh, you bank it, and I bank it. No, I think go. That's the voice. If they go back to their voice, I will play the voice.
Speaking of AI, Lazuba, remember you are the one that started this AI. When they give you AI that say you should fall back, you embrace it and run with it. You see, Mazi Akwa, Imam Madabo, Oginkere, Sona Barawa, these guys, they understand what they do. They don't understand what they're doing. They're the one that actually made you to fall back and fall. They made you who you are today. All this craziness, all this madness you are running now, started from that when they know that you're eager to present allegedly your son to become one of the BLA top person or want to be one of the administrators. That's your imaginary position. Made you to start penetrating into BLA and start talking to commanders and Butos and the rest of them. Then, when the thing did not work the way you want, those criminals understand that your leg is somehow shaking. That should that AI, and you ran with it. Now, since you receive that AI, before you start condemning this one, I want to start condemning that one that you receive, because all of you have done a lot of bad things, so many of them. You need to start condemning that one, because the one you receive is just AI. When you receive it, they find out that they have a lot of craziness in this movement, crazy people. They welcome you and that one. They're waiting for some time. They tried again and we expose it. Because the AI that they sent last one, after they upgraded it, they're now using premium version of that AI software. Before they were using free trial. That was why it is so easy to dictate. But now they're trying to be smarter. Imam Madabo, at your age, upon all your age and your time in abroad, the only thing you can do offer Biafrans is this. That this is the best you can do. PM want to talk to Biafrans every now and then, only you guys. PM is not a controversial human being. If you notice that people are kind of questioning his appearance there, PM that we know, he will use another means to prove himself. He's someone that wants you to understand him very, very well. That's who PM is. And PM cannot just jeopardize his chance after appealing, knowing fully that coming out every now and then to address the public, requesting what I don't know. So that people will not say, okay, PM, he's the one that are appearing and disappearing, and he's in Europe. I don't know what you are doing, but that your mission will backfire. If at all, that you are committing crime, like we all think that you do, because you prove otherwise, you are still a suspect. You are still a suspect. Now watch.
Voices will continue, you know. Can that person look at the voices will end? Voice elu to 1 minute. Only 1 minute, only 1 minute. You call nonsense. Make the whole people better inside. I'm very sorry. Now do allow.
Is AI Republic?
I'm very, very sorry.
AI Republic of India, they oppose a most. I swear that these people.
I don't know.
Hey. Oh God.
I saw the pity people. Very nonsense here. A man would eat very that is nonsense who played that place. Men of the voice of Batobia. Or talk about Batobia. Let me go.
No, premium version of AI will sound like Obatobio. I did not know that one before, to be honest with you. I won't lie. Do you know that there's AI that speaks Pidgin English? On our solo Pidgin, original Ajemule Pidgin. When can I soon worry? And then I ask Pidgin, and ask Pidgin, and I talk about that. AI is doing it as you speak. Do you understand? Oh, the one that we actually on, you know, that we used to be see before now is those trial version. Try it 30 days and upgrade. Remember that will say, okay, let us upgrade it. Premium version. On our so repeat, on our so the person voice, you know, some can even if like demonstrate. Even sometimes if we bring the AI video that is, you know, the person will be talking like Donald Trump. Then like he raised their hand while talking. AI will be just showing the AI example of how the person behaves. Forget about it. The person they can use AI to prepare a video of 3 hours. You won't believe it. It's not the book. Man, they good. You have to pay for it. And that's what they have done. They started with trial version. When Sonapara was calling, why? Oh, I don't know where to give that message they sent to you. You better bring it out to this up to Bill. He's aware that these guys are not for AI. Okay, because this is something they worked together before. If not, ask yourself, why are they not talking about the current AI that these guys are teaching out, that PM is talking to them? All of them, they just ignored him. They don't want to comment. Why? Because they know that the moment they comment, the one they used before to hold why is such a back to fall back will not solve. The truth will not surface. But as a criminal, they know how to, no matter how the differences they're sharing now, they know how to cover each other. They know how to, you know, cover their backs. It is now your responsibilities to know what they have done before. That will help you to know what they are capable of doing as you speak. They are all in this nonsense. Let's start from your own. You are the one that said, "Oh, don't be told you to fall back." When the whole thing is clear to you that after falling back, maybe they reveal to you that it's AI. You know, come and do the analysis now. If truly you represent something good, you should have just come out and explain to them, like what I did now. Telling you that that video, the previous one, I have realized now that is not true. It's not PM. What will I lie to you? When I tell you that this is like this, I'm telling you from my heart. I don't need to pretend. Nobody's paying me anything to come out here and come and lie to you for what? What will I do that? My intention to voice out is to get it right. Nothing more. I'm not here to make you see me as a celebrity. No. That's why I tell you, oh, Maz, wait, Maz, to appreciate it, to appreciate someone is good, but for me to get into my head and begin to see myself, no. Because the moment you begin to put yourself first, the tendency of you joining them to lie is high. Because you have to maintain your stand. Very, very important. Very, very important. Let's hear from this one a little bit before we move forward.
Because now this people
which is true. Which is true. That is why the person that reached out to me, you know, I'm not telling you, the person is gonna watch this video. That the person is gonna watch video. He called me and said, look, see, not one or two, because I forgot that they have even up to 3, to be honest with you. But You know, everybody, there's a way you rank people, right? These are people that I don't joke with in terms of the ability, their capability, who they are, and they have not lied to me. They have not. So one of them nearly shed tears, telling me, no, you cannot just no. This guy, this is fake. I was like, okay. My own stand is that let me see how soon they will say that PM is coming out again, because that will tell you if PM is coming out is the one previously. They don't need, PM cannot come out, by now saying, oh, he want to see them again. And ask yourself, why is it that PM is requesting something publicly to people that he don't even know? People share the link. PM that we know will not even appreciate the fact that they gather people to hear his voice. The annoying part is age of this man, Imam Adam. That's the annoying part. Maybe somebody not 15 years, 18 years, it's not matter the years. You can have somebody's grandfather. I'm telling you, he's behaving like an animal. Look at that man, I don't know. You guys don't respect the elders. Elders want to respect the we are. How can he have the idea? How can he have the idea? No, you are wrong. Who will destroy our leader? Don't go there. Anyway, you have your mouth to run, to be honest. That I'm playing your video does not mean that you are sharing my idea. No. But let me not further this because the video is quite long. There's something I want to share with us before we end the video. Something that has to do with PM as well. Okay, and the credit to the source, the person that shared it to me. God bless you. You know yourself.
Cross continents. Simon Ekpa, the man.
If you want to be noticed today in Nigeria,
a new twist has emerged in the case that has the man.
If you want to be noticed today in Nigeria,
a new twist has emerged in the case that has sent shockwaves across continents. Simon Ekpa, the man at the center of fiery debates, protests, and deep international intrigue, might soon see a turning point in his imprisonment. The Court of Appeal in Eastern Finland has announced that it will revisit the 6-year jail term sentence handed down to Simon Ekpa, the well-known African activist whose name has become a lightning rod in the discussions of freedom, faith, and justice. Ekpa was sentenced on September 1st, 2025 by Finnish District Court on charges linked to public incitement and participation in a terrorist organization. But now, that very judgment stands on shaky ground. His legal team filed an appeal arguing that Ekpa's voice was not that of terror but of resistance. And just days ago, Finland's higher court confirmed it will hear his case again. This singular decision changed everything. The timing of this new court decision is no coincidence in the public eye. It comes as the world watches Nigerian descent into a storm of sectarian bloodshed, where Christians continue to face targeted killings in villages and worship centers. Human rights advocates have long described what's happening as a Christian genocide, slow, silent, but systematic. Simon Ekpa, who many in the Biafra movement hail as a freedom voice, has repeatedly accused the Nigerian state of turning a blind eye to these killings and in some cases sponsoring the violence itself. But to the Nigerian government under President Bola Tinubu, Ekpa is no hero at all. He is branded a terrorist, an agitator whose broadcasts from Finland incite rebellion and violence. Two nations, two narratives, one man trapped in between. The appeal that could redefine the story. The Eastern Finland Court of Appeal has confirmed that it will review Ekpa's conviction through the full hearing isn't expected until April or May 2026. Until then, officials say he will remain in custody, confined, but not silenced. His supporters scattered across Europe, North America, and Africa continue to rally, insisting that Ekpa's conviction was political, not criminal. And now the legal spotlight shifts to Finland, a country known for its strict adherence to law and neutrality, yet now caught in a case that intertwines African politics, global human rights, and international law. A wave of global accusations. Adding to the drama, there are reports speculating that a Canadian court once labeled the Nigerian government a terrorist organization. That claim, if proven, would reshape global conversations about who is the victim and who is the villain in this complete saga. If someone ever wins his appeal, the implication will go far beyond his personal freedom. It will embolden separatist voices across Nigeria, across Nigerian Southeast, and reignite call for a Afro referendum, something the Nigerian government has fiercely resisted for decades. But if the appeal fails, the Finnish judgment could set a chilling precedent, suggesting that activism, even from abroad, can be criminalized if it challenges state authority. The global eyes on Finland. Legal experts are calling the case a defining moment for Finland's human rights record. Can a democratic European court separate activism from terrorism when the issues are soaked in politics, ethnicity, and faith? And as this case unfolds, Christian leaders worldwide are voicing alarm. They say Ekpa's imprisonment coincides with an era of silence where the voices speaking out against the slaughter of Christians in Nigeria are either censored, exiled, or jailed. What happened next? The road ahead is long. The appeal hearing expected by mid-2026 could either open the door to Ekpa's freedom or see his fate. Until then, he remains behind bars in Finland, awaiting justice from a nation thousands of miles away from the land he fights for. But behold.
All right, you have heard it all from this our Papa. What he said, to be honest, I understand that the appeal is. Some people are afraid of it, but to me, I think this is the best thing to do, because Finland is not Africa. Yes, they have shown that they can behave like African countries, but not on everything. I believe that with other nations that surround them, they cannot go that all out to commit crime like what you can see in Africa. So let me know what you think about all of this discussed so far. Please, your comment is always important. I can't wait to read from you. What do you have to say about this AI Republic government? Did I say government? AI Republic of Imamada, but government again. What was the issue? Please make sure you like the video and see you again. Bye bye for now. God bless you.